Fy enw I yw Marissa ac cymuned fi yw Cwmaman. So my connection with Connect to Kindness is through volunteering for Cwmaman Food Bank, and that started at the beginning of the pandemic, and through facilitating the food bank at Cwmaman Community Centre, I met a lot of the community for the first time, and I was very surprised at how many of the community came forward to volunteer. The strapline that became very evident to us through the pandemic was that a community was stronger together, and that kind of stuck with me and inspired me through my work. So the hand is representational of the hands of the people that give the kindness to other people. The sharing of that love through the kindness and the giving to other people was shown in the piece with the symbol of the hearts, and the trees, the growth of how the kindness developed through the community. The colours were more than natural colours as opposed to bright colours. Because we live in a rural community, I thought it was important to represent that in the piece. Fel artist, rwy'n gobeithio bod cymunedau dros y sir yn gweld y llaw ac yn canol roi cariad I pawb.